Every so often, a recipe comes along that days, even weeks after you've made it, you just can't stop thinking about it. Ask yourself, if you were able to re-experience the intense emotion of a long-forgotten first love, would you? Well, here's your chance. Today we're making easy IPA chicken. And here's what you'll need. For the full recipe, the list of ingredients and their amounts, check the description. We're going to start with a combination of salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. And we're going to lightly coat 6 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. So lay them out with care and let's get this experience rolling. Try to coat them as evenly as you can. And don't forget to show some love to the backside. Then we're going to give those naked ladies a nice little rub down. In a large skillet, we're going to heat up 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Olive oil helps to prevent the butter from burning. Make sure you're on high heat and that the butter's nice and hot before you lay those thighs into the pan. Depending on your cooktop and your skillet, it could take between 5 and 10 minutes until they're ready to turn. You'll know it's time when those thighs have reached a luscious shade of brown. When both sides are complete, remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Just wait until you see what we're going to do next. Into the remaining buttery, bubbling liquid, we're going to add some mushrooms and some onions, a little bit of garlic, and then toss in 2 sprigs of rosemary and 1 bay leaf. Stir that up until the onions soften and those herbs give off a wondrous aroma. After about 5 minutes, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Mix it up real nice, and then it's just about time for the star of the show. I know beer may not seem like the most elegant of ingredients, but when used here with this combination of herbs and vegetables, it helps to create something extraordinary. And it only takes 1 cup. And 3 cups chicken broth. Once the sauce is fully combined and you've scraped off all that cooked on goodness from the bottom of the pan, we're going to put those ladies back into the bath. If you could smell what I'm smelling. Put the lid on and we're going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Oh yeah, it's starting to come together. We're going to give that a stir, and then we're going to let it cook for another 15 minutes uncovered so the sauce can thicken. After that, we're going to remove the thighs one final time so that we can finish the sauce with some heavy cream, half a cup. Give that a stir, and then we're going to hit it with some salt and pepper to taste. Turn the heat down to low and give it a final stir. And once again, try to scrape all that goodness off the bottom of the pan before putting the thighs back into the sauce. And don't even leave a drop behind of that sweet juice. And finally, we're going to recover it and cook for 5 more minutes before serving. This is one of those moments in cooking that brings a tear to my eye. Not because I'm chopping onions, or because I forgot to wash my hands after mincing a jalapeno, but because I have leveled up as an artist, and you can too. The marrying of flavors between the creamy IPA sauce with mushrooms and onions and rosemary will make you the master of your kitchen for an evening. This can easily be served over rice, roasted or mashed potatoes, or a bed of your favorite vegetable. Don't forget to garnish with chopped parsley and a sprig of rosemary. And once again, thanks for watching.